Good morning, folks. It's watch and wait mode on two different fronts right now, the sun and the earth. We have a stunning new image from the James Webb Space Telescope and an excellent paper confirming something we've seen before in greater detail. But let's begin with the last 24 hours on our star. We've got big active regions, a few plasma filaments, and some coronal holes. The big sunspots are capable of flaring and are growing in both complexity and number this morning, and they complement the other eruption risks as space weather is expected over the next several days. These coronal holes will provide two separate solar wind enhancements as we make our way through the week and the weekend. Any other flare or CME events on the sun would only add to those enhancements. And now let's take a look at how the sunspot situation has developed. Not only do we have the big incoming active regions, but new ones are popping up quickly. Eyes on the sun, everyone. Speaking of things to watch, we still don't have a volcanic eruption in Iceland, but the risk actually continues to grow. The tremors have not stopped, and there is a report that an underground tunnel is filling with magma. They expect that eruption is getting very close to being realized there. Some eye candy up next. We're at Sagittarius C, near the galactic center, and James Webb is using its fine detail near-infrared cameras to scope the dust and ionized gas material, including the thin, defined lines of plasma that are following magnetic fields. There's also an amazing protostellar cluster and infrared dark clouds in the image. Hubble really never came close to this level of detail. Lastly, folks, not only do we have another confirmation that VLF signals in the atmosphere occur above earthquakes in the days before the shaking begins, but they are able here to detail how different areas display distinct patterns of those pre-earthquake electromagnetic signals. This is next level detail as they are identifying the character, size, and timescale differences between different seismic locations. We greatly appreciate your support. We're watching the sun and Iceland. We'll do this all again tomorrow, right here, right now at 6 a.m. in the new Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.